If you've watched my videos, you know I am a heavy router user, and I am really happy to see brand new routers in the marketplace from Triton. What you got?
So this is Triton's brand new fixed base router, kind of modeled off of the old Portacable 7518 19, with a lot brand new enhancements. So first thing here, you had that old T-bolt design. Now you've got a cam lock, more efficient motor, new switch, safety switch. Bearings are much more improved as well. They're 20% larger.
And if people don't know, the Portacable machine went away completely.
Correct. Yes.
And you saw a hole in the market.
That's correct. There's a big void in that market, and we've decided to come in and fill it the best that we can.
Took something good and made it better.
That's exactly right. What you'll also notice here is that the dimensions-wise are one and the same with the Portacable. So you can exchange their motor with our base and our base with their motor. So dimensionally, it's one and the same with the old Portacable 7518. With, like I said, a lot new improvements. You also have power at your fingertips. That's not one of the new requirements needed. And like I said, the safety switch. It comes by a motor by itself, but you can also buy in a kit version that comes with an edge guide to 2 wrenches, both 1/4 inch and 1/2 inch collet.
And historically, the 7518 has been like the router table router.
Correct.
And I think the other thing that's big today, I own a slab leveling mill. What a great machine. Yeah. It's a 3-horse, 15 amp motor, right?
Correct. 3.25 horse, more power to do any type of application in both a DIY to an industrial application for sure.
Cool. It's great to see with that hole in the marketplace that you filled that.
Yep.
All right. Now we're going from big to small.
Sure. Another new product that we've launched here is our little trim base router. So this is a 1.25 horsepower router. It comes with 2 different bases. So you have a plunge base as well as a laminate or an edge base. You mark it inside here. It has the plunge features, but the big selling feature, like a lot of the other Triton routers, is it gives you the ability to do all your adjustments above the table.
So this is great because when you're setting, what a great machine for inlay.
Sure.
And when you're dialing in the depth of that bit and it's plus or minus a gazillionth of an inch, that's such an easy way to hit that.
Correct.
That's nice.
All above the table. So comes in a kit box. Both bases are included for about a $179 to $199 price point. So real nice, attractable price point to get within the marketplace there. So
it's great to see the work that Triton has done on all their portable power tools, but these 2 routers are going to really fill a great spot in the market.